It's about 6:30 in the morning, and I am headed down to the beach. There's supposed to be a launch in approximately 10 minutes. So I'm gonna see how far I can get down the beach before I catch the launch. Early morning, pre-sunrise. That glow. It's gorgeous out here. I decided to see if I could make it to the pier in time, and I ran. I just ran a mile, just for fun. And I got it T-minus 2 minutes. Made it for launch. It was a beaut. And now the real star of the show, the sun is just coming up over the horizon. So I get to catch that this morning too. What the heck? It's boring. I'm so... The rain is slowing down just a tad, so I will attempt to speak over it pounding off my vehicle as I wait in line for gas here at Sam's. I was just inside Sam's Club grabbing a couple random things. Now I'm getting gas. This is a very popular gas station, so I always end up waiting in line, which is interesting. But I'm getting gas, and then I am off to pick up the kids from their homeschool program. They go to outside of the home program on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Today is Tuesday, so I've had the day to do what as I please. So I actually went to a gym, lifted heavy weights for the first time in a really long time, lifting weights at a gym and like a gym workout. So it felt pretty good. I'm trying to figure out like what style of fitness I'm into now that I'm not teaching fitness classes at the moment, and I get to like really just do what I want to do and what feels right for my body. And yeah, I'm just kind of like lightning. Whoa. I'm just feeling into like finding a gym and like doing that again. I was really into it for a while. Had kids, my interest changed. I needed that group fitness setting to like do it because I needed somebody telling me what to do. My brain was so zapped from being a mom, being a new mom to young kids. Like I didn't have the mental capacity to like go to a gym and lift weights. Like it had no interest to me. So group fitness was where it was at. And so I still love group fitness. I really have liked the Pilates Legree classes I've taken the last couple weeks. They're really fun. They're different. It's definitely the Pilates Princess era, so it's the trendy thing to do, but I also really want to focus back in on lifting weights, lifting heavy, like feeling strong. So yeah, that is what holy moly, that was a loud burst of thunder. I can't wait to get gas in this. So yeah, it's Tuesday. What's up for this week? My husband is home. He was traveling, and so he's home, and we are hoping that we'll get to do Disney this weekend. I really hope that works out. I really hope that works out for the kids. We plan to do Magic Kingdom. But yeah, in the meantime, we have at-home homeschool tomorrow, staying busy with some extracurricular things. Yeah, but hopefully this weekend we'll be headed to Orlando for that. And we'll see what else we get up to.
What was yellow? What colors I was asking for?
All right, I'm gonna ask you the two questions I asked Lincoln. Which one was the most? Yeah. Which one was the least? Yeah. Good job. Nice work, baby.
You can do just this. Need to see. Yeah, that's it.
Wow, that is so cool.
Manatee is so cool. There's a chub wub. I'll hold your phone and take a video. So cool. I'm going to the park. Okay.
Alligator that lives out there in our little. I think you can zoom on that camera setting. Stop it.
Look at my hat. We are just getting back from the beach. It was a lovely beach hour. I'm not going to call it a beach day. We were there for a very short period of time, but it is Friday. The waves were just amazing today. My favorite type of waves, where they kind of glide before they crash, and there's this calm and this peace in the water in between, where you can actually like just kind of like float in the water and be there without getting pummeled by waves nonstop. So I feel like that's kind of rare for being on the East Coast, but when we get those days, they're my favorite. Obviously I got rather drenched. Wasn't planning on it, but here we are. So we're back at the house now. We need to get cleaned up. We need to pack our stuff, eat some lunch, and then we are headed to Orlando for the weekend. Disney is on deck for tomorrow. I'm very excited. And yeah, hopefully the weather is good for us. We'll see. Looks like quite a high chance of rain, but we're gonna make the most of it. That's what you gotta do. My husband and son are already in Orlando. They left last night, and we are meeting up with them today after we get cleaned up and packed and all the things I just said. So we gotta get our act together. I gotta jump in the shower, gotta get some food, and then we will be on our way. We made great time driving, and we're here.
My food, because walking.
Oh, they see your food, Laurel.
Here. Hey.
No, not for you. Excuse me. Not when he's moving it. Laurel, it's gonna be harder for him. Wait. Laurel.
I love that photo.
It's hot. Oh, I see a splash pad.
Yeah.
Now all of them are going in the water.
Yes, sir. All right. Thank you.